Create a new square document. Go to View, Guides, New Guide Layout. Make 2 columns and 2 rows. Select the ellipse tool. Select Shape. Select No Color for the fill. Pick a stroke color. I use a width of 40. Make a circle. Make the circle the same size as your canvas. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the circle. Press Ctrl+T and place the circle in the corner. Repeat this process. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate, then press Ctrl+T and place the circle in the corner. Select all the layers and merge them. Unlock the background layer. Press Ctrl+T. Resize the shape and place it in the corner. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the shape. Press Ctrl+T and place the shape in the other corner. Select both layers and press Ctrl+J to duplicate them. Press Ctrl+T and place these shapes below the other ones. Select all the layers and merge them. Select the Paint Bucket tool. Pick a color. Paint the areas that I'm painting. Pick a different color. And paint the areas that I'm painting. Pick a different color. Paint all the areas that are still white. Go to Edit. Define Pattern. I open a new document and add a pattern layer. Select the pattern and adjust the scale to your liking. And that's how you create this pattern.